Hey there, science fans! We've all heard of 3D printing, right? That amazing technology that builds objects layer by layer right before our eyes. It's like something out of Star Trek. But get this, things are about to get even more futuristic. Let me introduce you to the incredible world of 4D printing. So, what exactly is 4D printing? Well, imagine this, you print a seemingly ordinary object, but then something amazing happens. It starts to change, to transform, all on its own. It's like magic. But it's all thanks to the power of science. That's 4D printing, 3D printing with a mind-blowing twist. It's about creating objects that can change and adapt over time, responding to their environment in ways we never thought possible. This mind-blowing technology is taking 3D printing to a whole new level, adding the dimension of time. Now, objects aren't just built, they're programmed to evolve. They can change shape, self-assemble, and even repair themselves. It's a game changer, folks. The real secret sauce of 4D printing lies in its special ingredients, time-responsive materials. These aren't your everyday plastics or metals. These materials are engineered at the molecular level to possess a superpower, the ability to change their shape or properties in response to external stimuli. It's like giving them a set of instructions to follow. Think about it. You print an object, and when exposed to water, heat, or even light, it morphs into something entirely new. This transformation isn't random, it's carefully designed and controlled. That's the beauty of 4D printing. These smart materials come in different flavors. Some can remember their original shape even after being deformed, snapping back into place with a little heat. Others can expand or contract with changes in humidity, like a high-tech sponge. The possibilities are practically endless. Okay, now let's get a little more technical. How does 4D printing actually work? Well, it all starts with a digital design, just like 3D printing. But here's the catch. This design isn't just a blueprint for a static object. It's a dynamic roadmap that encodes the object's transformation over time. Imagine programming a robot, but instead of metal and circuits, we're using smart materials. The printing process itself can involve various techniques, like using lasers to fuse layers of powdered material together, or depositing liquid materials with pinpoint accuracy. But the real magic happens after the printing is done. That's when the object, crafted from those special time-responsive materials, encounters its pre-programmed triggers. It could be a change in temperature, exposure to light, or even contact with a specific chemical. This external stimulus activates the material's pre-programmed response, triggering the transformation. It's like a chain reaction at the molecular level, causing the object to change its shape, size, or even its properties, just as the scientists planned it. Section 4, a world transformed 4D printing in action. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Why is 4D printing such a game changer? Well, hold on to your hats because the potential applications are truly mind-blowing. Imagine self-assembling furniture that unfolds right before your eyes, or pipelines that adapt their diameter based on water flow. How about medical implants that adjust to the patient's body over time, or even buildings that can change their shape and ventilation in response to the weather? This isn't science fiction, folks, it's the future knocking on our door. And that's not all. 4D printing is poised to revolutionize industries from aerospace to fashion. We're talking about lightweight, self-repairing aircraft wings that adapt to changing flight conditions and customized clothing that adjusts its fit and style based on your preferences. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Section 5. A future built on transformation, the promise of 4D printing. As we venture further into the 21st century, 4D printing stands as a beacon of innovation, promising to reshape our world in profound ways. It has the potential to usher in a new era of manufacturing, where products are no longer static entities but dynamic, adaptable, and responsive creations. Imagine a world with less waste, where products can transform and adapt to new uses, extending their lifespan. Imagine personalized medicine taken to a whole new level, with customized drug delivery systems and smart implants that evolve with the patient. The future possibilities are truly limitless. 4D printing isn't just about cool shape-shifting objects, it's about creating a more sustainable, efficient, and personalized future. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and reimagining the very fabric of our world. And as with all great scientific advancements, it reminds us that the most incredible discoveries often lie in the places where imagination meets innovation. Keep those thinking caps on, science rules.